Hey DJ, keep your hands off a fader.